Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this beanbag cover. These are like these giant beanbags. And come in this nice vacuum sealed pouch. It's pretty heavy here. Unfortunately, this is not it doesn't have the filling for the beanbags. These giant beanbags are pretty cool. So this is a nice soft washable cover here, I believe. And look at that. That is really quite large. Let's see where the zipper is for this. We have a zipper right here. And this is it has a double zipper for like extra strength, so it's not gonna burst open, which is pretty cool design. So this is like and there we have another zipper right here. And just for like added strength. So they got the inner portion here. And you can fill this up with foam or there's beanbag things you can buy online. And this is it's got like this first inner layer here. And it's difficult to tell like how big this is, but it's quite large. And this I think is, let's go inside of here, demonstrate here if I can. It's a good sized beanbag cover for sure, but like the double stitching on there, the thick fabric, and this is nice and soft too. Should be rather sturdy. And then of course the double zippers for extra sturdiness. I'm sure if like a lot of people like if you have kids and stuff, they run and jump onto the beanbag, and maybe like sometimes like a zipper can break open just from the inside there, and it's difficult to fix that. So this is kind of addresses that problem with both of these here. So that's kind of nice. All right, so like this, I think it comes. You can get different colors with this as well, black or gray or white. So it's soft and feels like it'd be like super comfortable if you were to just like hang out on this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.